If you like the warm weather, get outside and enjoy it today. Tomorrow, it's long gone, and tomorrow will be very different than today. Today, 83, 84 degrees across the area. Our normal temperature is right around 70, so we should be quite a bit cooler than this. And then our overnight lows, 60 to 61 degrees, as opposed to that norm of right around 49 degrees. So, yeah, we're quite a bit above normal, but what is normal and invariable really is that timing, and with that time change, 6:50 a.m. for your sunrise, 5:31 for sunset. I checked ahead, and we're about 10 days away from sunrise being at 7 a.m. So just be prepared for that. And the moon is in the third quarter, and because it's me, yes, we're going to start talking about Christmas, how far away that is. 47 days until Christmas today. So just be prepared for that. We are getting into the holiday season. Now, not much happening across our area today. There's two things that we're watching for tomorrow, though. Number one, of course, is that front we've been talking about for a while. That will come in tomorrow morning, and there could be a few showers ahead of that, but there's lift moving in off of Mexico overnight tonight, moving to the northeast. That's really the remnants of a low pressure system out there. So that will move in behind the front and give us the best chance of rain in the cold air. So we will reach the low 60s tomorrow for a brief time before that front moves in, probably somewhere between, I would say, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. It's a slow moving front, so it's going to take its time moving through our area. But as it does, we will see those temperatures dropping, the winds picking up, and the rain. So a nice November, cold, rainy, windy, gross day across the area. And Friday, it looks like most of Friday will be dry, but we could be dealing with some lagging moisture there. So here's kind of the key points, and I've already covered some of this. Rain will come in waves through the day and night. I don't expect it to be an all-day constant rain. I think that we'll see waves of rain. I think we'll see it off and on. And then rain should end Friday morning, though some lagging moisture could hang around. I do think that we could see some lagging showers. It always seems to be the case that when these storm systems move through, the moisture tends to hang around longer than we think it will. So I'm just letting you know that really most of it should be gone by 8, 9 a.m., but could be at least noon before we see everything get out. We could still see some lagging moisture, and we should see clouds for the most part on Friday as well. Rain amounts of half an inch to an inch are possible. I would say that's closer to what's expected, but there could be some isolated places that get 1.5 inches or 2 inches. So just be prepared for that. I can't tell you where that's going to be. It just kind of depends on if you get more than one of those heavier showers tomorrow. It could be a clap of thunder or two, no severe weather or anything, but we could be looking at some areas getting a little more rain than others. So be prepared for that. 83 degrees today, southwest winds that are breezy. Should see mostly sun today. A few of us still have some clouds hanging around. Overnight tonight, 61 degrees. We start to warm up a little bit, but start to almost at heat up. We're not heating up, we're just warming up. 63 degrees in the morning before that front comes through. Winds shift to the north. They get breezy behind that front. 90% coverage of rain. Again, I should say chance. I try not to say coverage because that whole thing is a mess, but I do think in general, everyone will get rain tomorrow. I just won't put 100% because then there will be that one person that says, well, I don't feel like I got rain. So 90% rain tomorrow. Most, if not basically all of us, should get rain. And then tomorrow night, we shouldn't cool down too much because we will have those clouds around to kind of hold in some of that daytime heating. 60 degrees Friday with lingering showers. Again, most of it at 8, 9 o'clock should be done. Could have some lingering rain just in a few spots, especially in our eastern and southern areas in the right around the noon hour. By then, we should be clearing out. Breezy again on Friday. That'll be a cool wind. And then we get on to the rest of the week. The weekend looks great. 61 Saturday, 66 Sunday. And then I'm watching. We got mid to low 60s Tuesday and Monday. I am watching, though, to see when our next rain chances are going to come in. Some are saying Tuesday. I'm looking at some areas suggesting could be closer. I'm not feeling well, so I'm tripping over my words now. Could be closer to Wednesday, so just be prepared for that as well. But right now, I have us in the mid to low 60s with northeast to east winds and not too much disrupting your forecast there. So again, enjoy the warm weather today. Tomorrow's gross. Friday is a little iffy again on how long that moisture is going to hang around, but it should be a nice weekend, so get out and enjoy the warm weather today and get the jackets out and the umbrella for tomorrow.